Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. As it is month of Ramadan, deep cleaning and brightening up our living space is all about this video. Also, I will be sharing a sweet treat recipe which is Chennai's famous Anday ki Mithai, or simply you can say egg sweet. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. A very warm and happy wishes of Ramadan Kareem to everyone. As it is the blessed month of Ramadan, we will dedicate our most of the time in prayers and staying closer to the Almighty. Almost we are around the corner of the month to start by deep cleaning and brightening up our living space. As you all know, I moved into this house couple of months ago only, so there is not lot of mess, but little organization is alone left. I will be doing that. Along with that, I will be just brightening up the space with some lights and get started. As we don't have pantry in this house and the countertop space was also very less, I had extra gadgets which I have to manage somewhere. For that reason, I created this extra space which I would call as my morning breakfast corner and created a small space for the breakfast area. All the basket underneath in this countertop is also for some of our morning requirements like coffee, bread and all I kept in the baskets, as well as some of the grocery also I stored in them. Here we get innumerable variety of coffee, but still the taste of this Udayam Narsu's coffee from Salem is ultimate. We get it here and I buy this coffee only. For K-Pod, we have to use definitely the brands which are available over here, but otherwise this is the brand we love. This is renters friendly wall art. It was very beautiful. I love this cherry blossom design, and instantly when I found this in Walmart, I grabbed it one for myself. Wherever you have an empty space in the wall, you can decorate it this way. It is renters friendly, and I removed it once or twice and saw it was not at all sticking to the wall. It was not spoiling the paint over the wall. Even if you have to remove, it comes out clean and clear without damaging the wall. So I chose to make this kind of design in one corner of the living area. This way of filling up your empty walls is really very beautiful. If you want to buy, there are innumerable variety of choices in different colors and different designs. You can sure choose like this. These lanterns I bought from Amazon, and these are with the batteries. They are really very beautiful. They look really very original lanterns in the night time. They give real beautiful look to your corner. Next comes the recipe for today, that is Chennai special Anday ki Mithai. Very famous recipe it is. For that I am taking half cup of almonds. I soaked it overnight. I will be grinding it with the help of some milk. It was approximately half cup to 1 cup. You can use milk and grind it. Again, I just soaked some saffron strings also in milk. I will be using mawa or khova in this recipe. If you don't have mawa in your local market, go with the milk powder. I will be using 150 grams of mawa in this recipe and 1 cup of milk powder. If you have only mawa, go with 2 cups of mawa or go with 2 cups of milk powder. I am using 1.5 cup of sugar along with 10 eggs. For 10 eggs, I am using 1.5 cup sugar only. Mild sweetness only will be nice for this recipe. Anday ki Mithai. Nicely give it a good blend though, so that the sugar should nicely get mixed with the eggs. To that I am also adding the ground almond paste. I have also added some more milk and saffron strings which I soaked. I am adding this mawa or khova. Along with that I am adding cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. Nicely give it a good mix. You can choose to use vanilla essence or cardamom, it's your choice. Now I added 1 cup milk powder to just give little thickness in the Anday ki Mithai. I added milk powder. You can use 2 cups of milk powder and avoid the mawa completely, or if you have mawa, you can go with only mawa 300 grams and you can leave milk powder also. I forgot to mix the clarified butter, that is ghee. I am just using 2 tablespoons heaped ghee in this and nicely give it a good cook until it is nice thick custardy runny, like you can see how it is. This consistency you have to cook it, and I am transferring it into baking casserole. You can use baking tray as well. I will be baking this for 350 Fahrenheit only for 20 to 25 minutes. Do not overcook. Then your milk, that is egg sweet, will become very dry otherwise. I just garnished with some more almonds and also saffron strings. Now you can see it is nicely baked and it's ready to be served warm. It can be either served warm or even cold. You can cut into desired shape and store it in fridge for up to a month also. It's a very traditional, very rich and very heavenly taste. It is. Definitely give it a try. It could be your sweet for the big day, that is for Eid al-Fitr as well. Just give it a try. You will love it. As it is the month of Ramadan, we will be spending most of our time for finishing all our prayers, extra prayers, as well as in the recitation of the Holy Quran as well. So I will be getting very less time in posting videos and preparing vlogs. I will try to definitely share whatever I'm able to. All the iftar and suhoor, whichever possible, I will be sharing the recipes then and there. Sure, keep watching. Once again, my hearty wishes of Ramadan Kareem to one and all. May the Almighty give us the strength and energy to perform all prayers and fasting with good health and continue with good deeds as always. Hope you all liked this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. I will be soon back with another video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.